If you own a home in Germantown, Silver Spring, or anywhere in Montgomery County, this quick update is especially for you. In the last couple of weeks, I've seen something really encouraging in our local markets. Homes in Montgomery County, Germantown, Silver Spring are attracting more buyers again. Open houses are busier, showings are up, and several new listings are receiving multiple offers, sometimes two or three, within a few days. And it's just not here. I've seen very similar activity in parts of Frederick, Prince George's, and Howard County. Motivated buyers, improved financing options, and strong demand for well priced homes. Interest rates are hovering around 6%, and some buyers are qualifying for even lower, which is bringing more serious buyers back into the market. So, if you've been thinking about selling this spring or summer, this might be a really smart time to explore your options. The market is active, but strategy matters more than ever. If you're in Germantown, Silver Spring, anywhere in Montgomery County, Frederick, Prince George's, or Howard, I'd love to give you a personalized home value and a quick market snapshot for your neighborhood. Call, text, or email me, no pressure, just good information and smart planning.